Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. A common question people are asking that is it halal to work in Islamic banking industry? Yes, it is halal. What is the reason? The reason is Islamic banks are working as a trader. They are doing trade and trade is halal in Islam. How to confirm that is this trade or the products are Islamic as per the Sharia rules and regulation? Yes. For every Islamic bank or every Islamic financial company, there is a Sharia supervisory board. Sharia supervisory board is a board of Sharia experts. They review the documents, they give the training, they give the consultancy, the advice, and the bank is are doing business as per their advice and as per their guideline. For this, we are using the word fatwa, that for every product there is fatwa from Sharia scholars and the bank is following this fatwa. Islamic banks are free of interest industry. There is no interest in Islamic banking industry. They are not investing, they are not utilizing their profit in a haram way or impermissible way. If anything, any trade, any area is not permissible as per the Sharia rules and regulation, yes, it is prohibited, and Islamic bank cannot invest their money in non-Sharia compliant product. On the other side, yearly, quarterly, or monthly, there is a Sharia audit to confirm that the profit is coming, it is halal. So from all these things, we can say that yes, work in Islamic banks industry is halal, permissible in Sharia, because it is trade, and this trade is halal trade, and trade halal is permissible or allowed in Sharia. Thank you very much. Shukran. Thank you for watching this video. If you learned something new, like the video and subscribe the channel if you want to learn more about Islamic banking industry, Islamic matrimonial and family problems, solutions, and advice for an ideal life.